Namaste children, welcome back to another session of your block 10 excretion. So in this excretion block in LP1 we completed various excretory organs present in our body and the type of waste that is released from them. And in LP2 today we are going to mainly focus on the organs that are present in the urinary system. That means the organ kidney which is producing and filtering the urine. So we are mainly focusing about the urinary system that is related to the kidneys. So today's main aim is to know different organs of the urinary system, their location in the human body. Okay. So in our today's class we will come across some of the keywords like abdomen. Abdomen means it is a part that is present just below the chest. Okay.
Of the body below the chest. Abdomen. The part of the body below the chest.
Urinary. Urinary means it is related to a urine where the organs that are producing the urine and excreting them. Such organs are called as urinary organs.
Urinary. Related to urine, or the organs that produce and excrete it.
So in our today's class we are going to learn one first keyword abdomen and the second keyword urinary. Yes. So to understand better about this excretory system, let us have a picture of this particular urinary system. That is your excretory system where you are having a pair of kidneys that are present in the abdomen region. Those two pair of kidneys are releasing the urine in a tube-like structure called ureters, and a bladder which is storing the urine, that is urinary bladder, and urethra. Okay, so to understand better about this urinary system, children, let's have a quick look on a short
video. Human urinary system has 4 parts. Kidneys are located in the lower back. Ureters come out of the kidneys. Urinary bladder is present in the lower abdomen. Urethra is present at the end of the bladder.
Okay children, so this particular video, it is giving a clear idea about the urinary organs and their location. So if you will see the urinary system, it is consisting of 4 different organs, where the first and foremost organs that are your kidneys. From the kidneys a tube-like structure arises that is called ureters, and then a very big sac or a bladder-like structure that we are saying as a urinary bladder, and that urinary bladder, it is opened into a pointed end that is called urethra. Okay, so if you will see these kidneys where they are located in our body means a pair of bean-shaped kidneys. Pair means 2. A pair of bean-shaped kidneys are present in the abdomen region on either side of the backbone. A bean-shaped pair of kidneys are present in the abdomen region on either side of the backbone. So now from the kidneys a tube-like structure is arising which is passing the urine from kidneys to bladder, that is called your ureters. and such a urine it is stored in a bladder, that is sac-like structure called urinary bladder, and that urinary bladder it is present in the lower abdomen region, and urethra it is an opening where the small hole opening it's called anus, and through that urethral anus urine it is expelled out, released out, removed out from the body. Okay, yes. So now, by observing this picture and the video, what is the main difference in the parts of the urinary system and where they are placed in the body? So if you will see the different parts of the urinary system, the first one is your kidneys. So kidneys are located in the abdomen region on the back side. Ureters, they are arising from the kidneys. Urinary bladder, it is present in the lower abdomen region, and ureter, it is a pointed end, it is coming from the urinary bladder. Okay, you will see 2 cups of cotton. Yes, we started comparing this particular urinary system with the model of ours, where a cup of cotton balls are placed in each side of the backbone, that are your kidneys. Yes, now the ziplock, it is the lower abdomen, depicts the urinary bladder, and we connected the cups with the ziplock. Yes. So now, what are the different organs in the urinary system and where they are located? Yes. In urinary system, we have 4 main organs, that is a 2 bean-shaped kidneys which are present on the back side of our body on either side of the backbone. Yes, the kidneys are attached into a thin tube-like structure that we are saying as a ureters. And now the ureters, they are connected into a very big bag. It's called your urinary bladder, that is present in the lower abdomen region. Last but not the least, that is your a small muscular tube that is coming out from the bladder, that we are saying it as a urethra. Yes. It is called your urethra. Okay. So now, if you will see clearly, what would happen if the urinary system stops working? If the urinary system, if it is stopped working, because it is connected to all the organs present in the body. If such a urinary system, if it is stopped working, the remaining organ systems that are present in our body will also stop working. So now, if it is stopped working, there is no removal of urine from the body. This may cause some discomfort, pain in diseases, leads to unhealthiness in the body, and even this affects the other organs that are present in the body, ultimately leads to multiple organ dysfunction, and sometimes it even leads to death. Okay, children. Yes. So after listening this class, now let us try to complete our worksheet. In the worksheet, if you will see, now they are asking tick the organs of the parts of the urinary system. Only they are asking you to tick the part of the urinary system. Kidneys, no. Large intestine also no. And even lungs are also no. Okay. So now the second question, if you will see, answer the 2 questions. Which of the human muscular bag-like which is the human muscular bag-like structure present in the urinary system? So a muscular bag-like structure, it is called your bladder, urinary bladder, which stores the urine for some time in it. So how to draw the Draw it and connect the location in the human figure. Yes. So now they are asking to draw in this particular human being. Yes. And connect them. Okay. So this is your human urinary system. This is your kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Okay, children. So now along with that, they are even asking us draw it at the correct location on the human being figure. So our work is completed. Now the third question they are asking, write any problem. One problem might face if the person is injury or infected with the urethra. So if the person is yes, if any person's urethra, if it is infected or it is injured, urine, a urge of urine, urge means release. Release of urine, it will start from the urinary bladder. It even leads to some severe infections and diseases in humans. Okay, children? Yes. So now let us see the practice questions from your textbook. So here they are asking ureters are thin. Ureters are thin tube-like structures that are connected to the kidneys and bladder. It's true. The urinary bladder is a bean-shaped organ in the urinary system. No, because the bean-shaped organs are our kidneys. Try a well-labeled urinary system in human beings that we are going to do in our class book. What will happen if the urinary bladder does not store urine? If it is not storing urine, an urge of urine will arise, and always there is immediately after the filtration of urine from the kidneys, always the urine it is expelled out from the body. Okay, after watching the video, complete your practice questions and worksheet questions, children.